Well, today I got something to do for my daughter. And it's something to do with the Ford Fusion. About 5 or 6 months ago, I changed the evaporator temperature sensor, and when I did it, I broke a couple clips on the A-pillar covers. So I'm gonna fix those because she's been on me for like 5.5 months to do it. So that's what we're gonna do quick here today. It's a real short video. I just wanted to show how you get to them, and you know, it's just a minor piece in case you want to do something, put gauges, I don't know, whatever. So this is how you get the A-pillar cover off and fix it. Stick around. Okay, so the first thing you need to do is you need to take this trim off, because that's what actually holds it in all the way along. So you just pull that down like that, and that exposes it. And then the A-pillar cover, it has two clips. It has one down here that I didn't break off, and it has one up at the top that somehow I didn't do too good with. So you pull it towards you, unplug it from that bottom clip, and I'll show you here in a second, and then it comes off. At the end, it's got a little hook, and on the back side, it's got that clip, and then it's got this clip that goes, can you see it?
Yeah.
It goes into this little piece right here. So when I took it off, evidently I popped that screw out of there, but that's where it should go.
Is that what that is?
Yeah, so I got to take the other one out, and then we'll put these on. And Elise went and got these at the Ford dealer. And how much were they, Elise?
They were $6.25
a piece. So
I have the receipt. It's right.
Yeah, I believe you. So if you need the part number, we have the receipt, and we'll put it up there. So then to get it to work, and I guess I could have just put another, it looks like a little baby drywall screw in there.
Yeah.
I could have done that, but we just got new ones, and we'll be good to go. So you take this one out, which is not that easy to do, which is why I probably broke the thing off. Ah, come on, you can do it. I did it the other day, so. This is why the screw comes off. They don't like coming out, as you can tell. Come on, man. I know what I'm gonna be editing out. Me fighting with this thing. Ah, you dirty. No good. I don't, oh no. Well, now we have a rattle.
Oh no.
It won't be too bad, at least. So it fell down inside the A-pillar. It'll be down there. It'll be quiet.
No, it won't.
Oh yes, it will. And if it's not, we'll get.
God.
If it's not, we'll get the cutting torch out and we'll find it.
Oh my God.
Have to cut the whole car apart, but we'll find it. All right. So there we go. I don't know if that's fitting in there very good. It does not seem to be fitting in there very well. Oh, I might have to go get a Phillips screwdriver, but anyway, so there we go. And there you go. You see it fits in that slot like that. I got a heavy sigh from my daughter there. So, yeah, well.
No, it's not funny.
It's not gonna rattle. Just trust me. Just trust me. All right, so it goes back down in there. Make sure I'm not blocking it with the airbag, because God knows that's an important piece. There's the bottom one and the top one. And success.
Okay, we'll put the thing back.
Okay, and then you just put the thingy back, as she likes to call it, the door seal.
The door seal.
And we're fixed.
It's much better.
With one. So now we got to do the
one.
other side. But there you go, honey.
Thanks.
And you can do it. You can put gauges in here, I'm sure, or whatever you want to do. So when the airbag goes off, you get hit by the gauge or whatever. But let's do the other side.
Okay.
You can turn it off.
How does the air work?
Works great. It doesn't have anything to do with the air.
Yeah.
Okay, so now we're doing the other side. It's the exact Exact same thing as the other side. So you pull the trim down, which is being, there you go. See, it comes down real easy. Pops out of that bottom part, comes out. It's got the same little hook. It's got the same little thing that I broke off, and it's right there in there. So you just, hopefully this side will go a little bit easier, because I had it out once and it came out nicely, but it might decide to be a horse's patootie. Maybe that's why it didn't come out and it destroyed. Oh, there we go. That one I got out without killing, so.
Without making my car rattle.
Yeah, without making your car rattle. So, again, you just put it back in that slot. It just slides right on there. Bam, it's in there. And then you just put the on there. Make sure it's down and locked. Puts that one on. That should be. Oop. Why is this one? There we go.
That was the problem side.
Yeah.
This side was worse than my side.
There you go. There it's on. I just don't know why it's not taking the seal. It's not wanting to cooperate. Huh. No good sassafras. There we go. There we go. Yeah, even with the clip in, it's a little loose, but
It's better than it was before.
oh, there you go.
Why is it like that?
I don't know. It doesn't want to cooperate. It's in there though. It's not going. So there you go. If you need to fix it, that's what you do. So when you do the temperature sensor, make sure you got a couple of those clips on hand. And I'll read you the part number, and I'll put it in the bottom. It's part number W711044.S4 clip 625 a piece plus taxes. So there you go. If this helped you, even if it didn't, if you found it a little bit exciting when I dropped the clip inside, please like and subscribe, and have a great day. Thank you.